Good morning, and be welcome again trading crypto trading course 11.0. Welcome guys, it's gonna be a vid today, educational vid. We're gonna talk about, I'm gonna give you guys an example of Popcat and how to trade it as a pro and why to trade it and how to trade it and etc. So just focus. I'm gonna take you guys step by step. I hope that you guys learn something from this. It's gonna be a very important one, and well, let's just dive in directly. This will also be the only trading course vid that I will release openly, so for everyone to watch, just to give a lot of people that are not in the free private, to give them a little bit of an insight what the trading course vids are about. So that's why we decided to get, the team has been pushing, just make one trading course vid and release it open for everyone. So that's what we're gonna do today. So please push the like, leave a comment below, show some love, and let's just jump right into it. So Popcat, let's first of all agree on something. That's very important. It's very important also for your trading. Popcat, what is Popcat? I really have no clue what Popcat is. I think that it's a cat that's dancing, some disco, or having some, I really don't know what it is. I'm a bit ashamed that I'm even talking about Popcat. It's just what it is. I'm ashamed. We are traders. We make money. Popcat. Well, it's what it is, guys. It's what it is. So let's first agree on this. Popcat, what is this? In my opinion, it's just like all the other meme coins. It's just one big Ponzi. That's just how I see it. Meaning there is a group of wealthy people pumping, dumping this coin and making a lot of money up, making a lot of money down, and they rule the price. They just rule the price, and that's just how they do it. But what I'm going to show you guys today is how these wheels, how they do this, and how we as pro traders make money alongside these wheels. And unfortunately, a lot of retailers are getting wrecked in this process that I'm going to explain today. It's just what it is. So what we're doing, because we cannot control these wheels, we cannot control these teams. The only thing that we're doing, we're swimming alongside them. That's all that we're doing, and making money in that same process. So first of all, what do we got? We got Popcat. We had this big rise up. Let me do my toolbar over here. So this was the previous high. This coin is from March, so it's a pretty new coin, I think. If there is no, I think this is a new coin. There's not another chart with more history. So we had this previous top. First of all, what we see in a lot of meme coins, what we see, they like to have these double tops. So you've got a top over here and top over here, and then they dump down. They do this a lot. Not all of them, but most of them. So in trading, it's all about probabilities. So you just trade on what you see. But the probability of making a high and then revisiting that same high and then dump down. So this is the higher probability. It doesn't mean that this thing can't just shoot up and go make new highs. It's possible. Mark did it, for example. So you have to keep that in mind. But the probability that it will make this double top and then retrace down is bigger. So that's the first thing that we're eyeing. Second of all, we had this previous high. And as you guys can see yesterday, we broke it up over here. It was a scammy high, and then we came down. So how do you trade this? So first of all, what we're gonna do, this is on the bigger time, on the high time, for big time frame. This is first of all what we're gonna see. So this will be the level. There's not a lot of price action, so this thing could have just pumped up even more. So the only resistance that we got over here is this high over here, 73 cents. There ain't no more data. So what we're seeing over here is that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 daily candles at this moment, ramping this Popcat up. And it made from the low This is more than a 3x in a week. Why? Why does Popcat make a 3x in a week? Where are all the, why Flux, for example, one of the best fundamental projects out there. Why isn't Flux making a 3x in a week? That is building so much technology, that is building so much utility to the blockchain market. Why isn't Flux making a 3x? Why is a cat that's dancing in some disco? I don't know, I didn't do any research on it, Popcat, by the way, guys, but based on the name, a cat that is dancing in some, doing the Saturday Night Fever or whatever, is making a 3x on a market cap of 600 million or 700 million, whatever it is. Why is this cat making a 3x? How? What is going on in crypto? What is going on? I will tell you what's going on, because I have been preaching and sharing this for years and years. In crypto, unfortunately, it's not about the technology. It's not about the teams. It's not about the project. It's all about making money. And that's all these VCs, all these market makers, all these wheels care about. They want to make money. And to make money, that's the left side where they make money. You also need people to lose money. Either that's the only way to make money. So if that group wants to make money, the other group, there's another group that needs to lose money. And let me tell you, more than 90% are retailers that are losing money. And for these market makers, it's easier to pump up Popcat that's based on nothing and to make money out of that, because they can 100% rule the price how they want. They can pump it up, they can dump it down. It's just how they want. They rule this price. So it's retailers stand zero chance trading this. So every move they make is based on luck. And let me tell you, the odds are against you. So you're probably going to get wrecked when you're buying, trading meme coins. And if you're gonna make some money, it's based on luck. That's all there is. So, MB, why are you making this vid then? Well, now comes the trick. We can make money by following what these wheels are doing. So when they are ramping up, you can ramp up. You can go together with them. And when they start selling or shorting, you can also go with them. That's the only, you cannot trade against these wheels. That's impossible. These people that are ramping this price up, you cannot trade against them. Because why? They rule this chart. They rule the price. They can pump it up and dump it down. Maybe this is one wheel doing this. Maybe it's two, maybe it's three, but they're working together. So they rule this chart, so they can do whatever they want with it. They can rug it to zero. They can ramp it up another 2, 3, 4x. So how are you as a retailer going to do this? It's impossible. It's not the same like when you're buying, for example, Cardano, or you're buying Cody, or you're buying Chelo, or you're buying. It's very different. This, in my opinion, that's my personal opinion. I think that all the retailers in the world should stop buying meme coins. And I've shared this also. I've said it. And I was very angry at a lot of influencers that have been promoting meme coins. Because the moment we stop buying or trading meme coins, that's the moment when these wheels, they have no people to trade against. So they're not going to make any money. What's going to happen? All these meme coins go to zero. It's just like NFTs. Same. You guys all know how I think about NFTs. It's a lot of crap. It's a millionaires club thing. The price is high because they make that price high. They bid on it. But if retailers just don't interfere with them, just do your thing, then you'll see those things will be worth nothing. Because if there is no demand, Well, do the math. On these meme coins, what they created is that they have gotten into the minds of retailers to make them buy and trade meme coins. But the thing that retailers are not seeing over here is that those meme coins are ruled by them. So what we do, we going to trade alongside them. And that's how you can make money. And always keep in mind that these coins will all go to zero. All of them. They'll all go to zero. Maybe it'll take 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5, but at some point, retailers will wake up and think, hey, wait a minute, what am I buying here? What am I doing? I'm buying Popcat. Today it's Popcat, tomorrow is Popcat, the day after it's Pop Red. It's madness. And this is, by the way, also the reason why the strong fundamental coins are just at the bottom sleeping. It's because smart money, or smart money, I don't want to call them smart money because they are no smart money. The scam money, what scam money is doing, they are in the markets. They don't give a damn about any project. They're only in the markets to make money. That's what I'm teaching you guys. Don't focus on projects or whatever. Only focus on making money. So that's what they are doing. They are just focusing on making money. And how can they make money? They make money by buying these, pumping and dumping these meme coins because they control it. That's the reason. So that was also for the ones that watched my on Twitter when I asked them. They rule the price. That's the reason why these market makers are pumping up and every bounce these meme coins. They are doing it because they make a lot of money, easy money on meme coins. So they rule the price. Nobody else is ruling. The ones that own the biggest bags, they rule the price. So let's go do some TA now and get into the educational part. So first of all, we go to the 4 hours. Let me show you guys how the team and members from the free private made some money. First of all, on the 1 hour. To trade meme coins and to swim alongside wheels, what you need to do is you need the MW indicator. Without it, you can't do this. You need the MW indicator. If you want the MW indicator, today the team has been checking everyone that applied. The ones that fulfill the requirements have been added to the free private, and the ones that are not active trading yet on volume, they already received this indicator. So if you want this indicator, you have to be trading on BLOFIN. You have to be trading on Weex or on OKX, and the links are below. And the requirements are also in the description to understand. There was one today, he DM'd me, well, it's a free private group and I want to get into the free private group. How did you know that it was? I saw it on your stream and I saw it on your videos that it was a free private. Yes. Okay, so didn't you hear me say, you have to fulfill the requirements, you have to be trading on this and that? Or did you only hear it is free group? That's the only thing you hear. Yeah, that's all. So what you're doing now is you're wasting my time. Yes, okay. Click. Click. You know what click is, guys? Click. Very simple. Block. Blocked. I have no time for these people, these cockroaches, because they are cockroaches. These are not people. These are not retailers. These are cockroaches. These are cockroaches. What they do is they come like a virus, like a cancer into educational groups and honest people, and they come like a cancer in, and they try to ruin and destroy everything good, and they try to make the ones that are pumping this, they're paid by them. I think they're paid by them, and they come and they start doing a lot of bad things. That's why I said also on Twitter, click, just block. That's what I do. I just block them. I don't answer them. I don't give them time. Nothing. I just block them. That's all I do. No matter. TG, block. YouTube, block. Twitter, block. I'm not even gonna waste any time, because if you're gonna waste time or answer them or discuss them, then you'll become like one of them. just block it, just block it. Block it. Don't waste any second on these guys. So let me put it on. Here we go. Over here, we're traveling above it. Over here was when the FOMO started. Over here was when the market makers thought, okay, it's time to ramp up this Popcat. And as you guys can see, came back, accumulate, 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 up, hold, 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 accumulate, up, again, hold, 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 again, and over here we lost it. Guys, I know it's maybe it looks a bit strange on the chart. First of all, I did not paint this indicator on this chart. What you see has always been here. You could have made money longing this. You could have. Long this. Just go with the wheels. Come down, indicator, up. Come down, retest, and this was a long accumulation. And the longer it is, the higher the probability is that it will go up. And as you guys can see, up, boom. Over here, look at this. Look at this. This dump down indicator, up again. Over here, the same like we're seeing over here. Look at this. Look how beautifully they're holding this indicator. Guys, I'm just saying, look at this. They just keep it above the indicator. Over here, the same thing. When the price action comes to the MW indicator, they start protecting it with all the money they have. There's no way that it's going to close below it. Look at this. This could be another long. This was, by the way, this is the box of the resistance, the previous all-time high of Popcat. So what you're seeing over here, again, look at this. Do you think that this is a coincidence? You know, let me just say, let me just say it like this. Suppose I'm a retailer. I want to make money in crypto. Okay, fine. But I don't know what I'm doing. I really have no clue what I'm doing. Maybe I buy this one, maybe I buy that one, maybe. But I really have no clue what I'm doing. Do you realize how important this indicator is for uneducated retailers? Because this is what shows you to be bullish or bearish. And we're going into a lot more details in a moment. Look at this. When you see the price going into the indicator, know that they will protect it. Up the same, they will protect it. Up the same, they will protect it. Okay, so the team of Free Private, what they're doing, they were waiting for a validation. So the ones that have been longing this, congrats. Over here was the exit, by the way. Congrats to those. And then over here, we have gotten the first candle below it. Do you see it? This was the first one. Do you see it here? Here it is. Here it is. Are you seeing what happened? Over here. This was the close below the indicator since here. Since over here. So since we were over here, this was like, what was it, 4 days ago. This was the first candle that we closed below the indicator. And what are we seeing after that? Because the professional traders, the Free Private Group members, what they do is they wait for the retest of the indicator. So over here, okay, we went down, wait. And this was the perfect retest over here. You see it? It came up, rejected, and look at this. And then the price comes out. And this is this box. This is where the team and MW traders make their money. This drop here. It's a lot of money if you know what you're doing. So this is where they make money. So they could have made money when you're longing, holding the indicator. You opened up your long over here. You could have made money on this box. You could have made money on this box. Over here it's the same. Look at this. You could have made money on this box. You could have made money on this box over here. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? I'm just showing you guys. These moves up. You could have made money on this box over here also. You could have made money over here. Well, maybe you're gonna miss this one because you have to be on the charts to keep catching. So I'm not even gonna show. This was the biggest move, by the way, but you could have made money over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these were the longs, and this is the short. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. I know it looks very easy when I'm showing it. In real time, it's a lot harder. But that's why you need to train yourself. But you need to train yourself the right way. And when you're going to train yourself, you have to be dead from inside. No greed, no emotion. Just trade based on what you see. Let me give you guys an example from what Bash did. Bash is one of the Retail Fam free private group members. And let me show you guys what Bash did. Bash didn't trade this one on the 1 hour. He traded the 15 minutes. So let me go to the 15 minutes and I'll show you exactly what he did. What he did was this one. He was waiting. We had this double top on the 15 minutes. Beautiful. Before this drop. What he did was, this was when he entered. So this one closed below it, the 15 minutes. And this retest, this is when he entered his trade. Boom, 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 boom. Retest, rejected. Boom, 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 boom. And now comes something I think Bash will need to watch this when to take profits. Because that's also very important. Okay, Andy, well, we catch this one, but how do we know how to take profits? I will show you how to take profits. Because I know that the team took profits. They decreased their bag by like 85%. And I'll show you when and why. Ta-da! When you put it on a 4 hour, we never tested the indicator on the 4 hour. Never. Let me remove this all. I think it's clear by now. Let me remove this all. Look at the 4 hour. When we broke above it over here, it was over here was the accumulation, up, down, up, down, up, down, left. So we never tested it. So you can expect that when this get tested, you can expect that the bulls will start marching. And also another very important thing, so it's not only about the indicator, this support zone over here, because we found some support over here. Do you see this? Let me put it on the 1 hour, you'll see it better. You see this block over here, this block over here, there's a lot of price action over here in this whole block. So you can expect, it's just how TA works, guys. So this is a liquidity zone. A lot of action happens. So you can expect in this box, you see it better. When we reach this box, you can expect that bulls will step in here. And also if you put on the indicator on the 4 hour, it's the same story. Look at this. You're seeing this? So this is how you, when you made this nice drop down, take the damn money. Just take the damn money. You could also place your stop loss above the indicator, fine. But you could also just take like 75% over here. And when we confirm over here, that's when you will sell the rest of your bag in profits because you entered over here. That's how you do gain trading. So that's about the indicator and how to trade this meme coin. So for now, we're above it again. So now we have to wait for a validation when we get bearish again. It's just a game. It's like Tom and Jerry. It's like Tom and Jerry. Charts go up and down. There ain't no chart that just goes up and there ain't no chart that just goes down. So what you do as a trader, you follow the charts and you follow the money flow. So when you're down, you take the damn profits. Over here, you get out of your bag. This isn't a validation that we're going up again. Up, retest the indicator, and we're going up again. And now it's just waiting for your next move. You can choose the long over here, but we're reaching resistance level. This thing already did like crazy. You're gonna wait for your chance to open up your next short. So you're just gonna chase it. You wait, invalidation, and then there we go again. And if you really are a professional trader, you know how to chase trade, because that's something else. Chase trading, that's another trading course. But if you do chase trading means that you have a position opened on a short. And what you do when you see on the high time frames that you think that this coin is going to top out, that's when you start DCA in on every pump. You just DCA in. The higher it goes, the more you add to your position. But I have to say, it's risky, and you really have to own a lot of funds, and you have to be really a professional trader to know how to do this. And you'll not get liquidated also. There ain't no liquidation level. So, and I can tell you, this chase trading system works like crazy. It can make you the biggest gains on the long term, midterm. So, but now we're not talking about chase trading system. I'm just talking about this one. So for now, it's just waiting. So you made money over here, get out, close the rest of your position, and now you wait for the next opportunity. So let me also show you guys something else, because it was happening while I was preparing for this vid. So while I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna explain you guys a bonus today in this trading course vid. I'm gonna show you guys something to keep an eye on. Push on the like, leave a comment, and I'm gonna give you guys 10 seconds for that, and I will be back. Okay, I want to show you guys something else today. Where was it? Was it over? Yes, I want to show you guys this one. Let me remove everything. Let me put it on the 1 hour. Okay. Well, weekends are really, look at this. What is this? This is, what? Did this happen? What is this? No, let me use another chart. Now you see that what is a scammy chart. This is the good chart. So this is now in the weekends what we're seeing now, the price action that we're seeing now on the weekends. So what we're seeing over here is that we were going sideways, and out of the sudden we made this rump up in the weekend. That's very strange, by the way, guys, for weekend price action, because the markets are closed. By the way, we did not close this 4-hour candle above the Indy, so be careful. This will probably be a scammy one and we'll end up with a red candle later. Be very careful. I'm just saying. But in the weekend, the markets are closed. The volume is very low. So how did they manage to make this rump up over here? Where is the money coming from that is rumping up? Well, my theory, what I think, I just follow what the whales do. And what the whales are doing is this. I watched this chart because this one is open. This one isn't closed. And this is the chart that has been helping us to predict our previous 2 big dumps. We nailed those 2. And this chart has been helping us. And as for the ones that have seen my vids, I told you over here is when you can expect Bitcoin to start bouncing again, when we reach the resistance level. Because guys, you have to see it like this. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 hits. And when we were over here at this bottom, that's when I told you guys, watch out, we're going to dump again, for the ones that watch my two crash vids. But we reached the level, and we reached it in the weekend because it's open. So what is this chart, by the way, for the ones that don't understand what the chart is? This chart is Bitcoin against gold. So these are really big wheels. These are big wheels, so very wealthy wheels. What they are doing is they are flipping Bitcoin into gold and gold into Bitcoin. That's what they're doing. So that's what you're seeing over here. So when this chart goes up, means that wheels are flipping Bitcoin into gold. When you see this chart go down, it means that wheels are flipping their gold into Bitcoin. And do you think it's a coincidence that we made this nice rise up and we're getting rejected over here? No, it's no coincidence. Do you think that this one was a coincidence? No, it's no coincidence. And over here we are now coming down again. And this is what's causing this. See this? This thing is causing this rump up. It's gold. The wheels are flipping gold into Bitcoin. And that's how you see those bounces up. So this is a bonus for you guys to keep an eye on, especially in the weekends, because there ain't no markets open in the weekends. So this is when you, well, although this is what I do, that's why they call me a wheel killer. That's how I check what wheels are doing. Why is Bitcoin ramping up or bouncing or whatever? This is the reason. And, you know, I made this chart like weeks, months ago. So I know where to be cautious, where I can expect Bitcoin to bounce, where I can expect Bitcoin to dump. It's based on these charts. It's not only this chart, but this is one of the most important charts to check. And as you guys can see, it's working into perfection. This was my resistance line, hit, Bitcoin up, hit, Bitcoin up again, hit, Bitcoin bouncing again. That's how to check. I know, guys. I know. You're going to watch like 1,000 vids on YouTube. You're going to follow like 1,000 crypto accounts. Nobody will tell or show you this. Nobody. I know. Well, I'm telling you this. I'm saying this now. So this was about understanding the bounce that you just saw on Bitcoin. I want to thank you all for watching. This was a one-time opportunity that I shared my trading course vids live. I'll be making my market updates tomorrow when the markets open again. I want to thank you all for watching. If you want to join the free private, BLOFIN are the ones that the team is checking now. First, BLOFIN users, because we just partnered up. We're trying to grow the community on BLOFIN. We're destroying every community that's already trading on BLOFIN. We're really destroying them. But I already said it. I said it. BLOFIN, be very cautious. Why? Because the gain trading community is coming in, and you guys will have a lot of trouble trading against us. So BLOFIN, Weex also for the native token, and OKX for the ones that want to have a Web3 wallet also on one exchange. So if you're using one of the three exchanges, you're trading over there, DM your UID, team will check if you're trading on volume and you're a serious person, not some cockroach that is trying to get into try to get in to scam and FUD a lot of things. So if you're trading on volume over there, and what is volume? Volume is a minimum of $500 deposit, and that's how you get in, and some serious trading. So not trading with pennies and thinking that you get in. You will not get in. Don't waste your time, and please do not waste our time. So if you want to join the best trading group on the webs, links are below. Thank you all for watching. Have a nice one, and bye-bye.